Empower your outdoor tasks with comfort and ease using tools suited to every ability level. Best Mini Chainsaw for Seniors combines lightweight design, safety features, and reliable cutting power to make pruning and light chores safer and more manageable around the yard or garden. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Seesii 8-inch Mini Chainsaw. The Seesii 8-inch Mini Chainsaw is a strong choice for homeowners who want more cutting power without the bulk of a full-size chainsaw. Its 8-inch guide bar gives it an edge over typical 6-inch models, allowing it to handle thicker branches and small logs with confidence. Despite its extended cutting capacity, the saw remains compact and lightweight, making it comfortable for one-handed use during longer pruning sessions. The brushless motor delivers smooth, efficient cuts while operating cooler and quieter than traditional motors, which helps extend the tool's lifespan and reduce maintenance. One of its standout features is the dual 4000 mAh battery system, providing enough power for over 150 cuts per charge and minimizing downtime during work. Overall, this mini chainsaw strikes a solid balance between power, portability, and endurance, making it ideal for yard maintenance, light firewood cutting, and routine tree care.
Number 2. Supstable 8-inch Mini Chainsaw. The Supstable 8-inch Mini Chainsaw offers impressive versatility thanks to its interchangeable 6-inch and 8-inch guide bars, giving users two cutting options in one compact tool. Powered by a high-performance 1,000-watt brushless motor, it delivers strong, consistent cutting performance while staying efficient and durable. Weighing just 3.2 pounds, this chainsaw is especially easy to handle, making it a great option for women, seniors, and beginners who want control without fatigue. The dual battery setup provides up to 60 minutes of runtime, which is sufficient for extended pruning and light woodcutting tasks. Safety is also well covered, with features like a safety lock, debris guard, gloves, and protective goggles included in the package. With its auto-oiling system reducing maintenance and ensuring smooth cuts, the Supstable Mini Chainsaw is a practical and user-friendly tool for everyday garden and outdoor projects.
Number 3. VOTREK 8-inch Mini Chainsaw. The VOTREK 8-inch Mini Chainsaw is designed for users who want professional-grade performance in a lightweight cordless tool. Its powerful brushless motor delivers up to 800 watts of cutting power, enabling it to slice through thick branches and hardwood with ease. The fast chain speed ensures clean, efficient cuts, turning demanding yard work into a quick task. One of its biggest strengths is the upgraded 3.0 Ah battery, which offers extended runtime and enough power to complete large trimming jobs without frequent recharging. Weighing just 2.6 pounds, the saw is extremely easy to maneuver, reducing arm and wrist fatigue during overhead or detailed cutting. Built-in safety features such as a dual security lock, protective shield, and kickback-resistant chain add peace of mind. Combined with its smart auto-oiling system, the VOTREK Mini Chainsaw delivers reliable performance with minimal mess or maintenance.
Number 4. Seesii Handheld Mini Chainsaw. The Seesii Handheld Mini Chainsaw is a powerful yet approachable tool designed for both casual users and demanding yard work. Its 1,000-watt brushless motor provides high torque and smooth cutting performance while keeping noise and heat levels low. The 8-inch guide bar significantly expands its cutting capability, making it suitable for thick branches, storm cleanup, and firewood preparation. Cordless operation and dual 2,000 mAh batteries give users the freedom to work anywhere without worrying about power outlets. Despite its power, the chainsaw weighs just over 3 pounds, making it easy to control and comfortable for one-handed use. Safety is a clear priority, with features like a safety lock, debris baffle, gloves, and goggles included. The automatic oiling system further simplifies maintenance by keeping the chain properly lubricated. Overall, this mini chainsaw is a well-rounded option for efficient, safe, and hassle-free cutting.
Number 5. Greenworks 24-volt Mini Chainsaw. The Greenworks 24-volt Mini Chainsaw is a dependable choice for light-duty cutting tasks around the home and garden. With its lightweight design, weighing only 3.4 pounds including the battery, it's easy to handle and ideal for users who want comfort and control. The 6-inch bar is well suited for pruning branches, trimming shrubs, and preparing small logs for campfires. What sets this model apart is its 24-volt battery system, which is compatible with a wide range of Greenworks tools, adding long-term value for users already in the ecosystem. Safety features like a security lock, anti-slip handles, and protective baffles help prevent accidents, making it beginner-friendly. Tool-less chain tensioning allows for quick adjustments without extra tools, saving time during maintenance. Simple, reliable, and easy to use, this mini chainsaw is perfect for everyday yard upkeep and small outdoor projects. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview helped you find a safe, easy-to-use cutting tool for everyday yard tasks. The right mini chainsaw can add confidence, reduce strain, and keep your garden tidy. Subscribe for more practical tool guides and honest recommendations.